hear that your clothes and feet. There's neither star nor cold. He does not ask for your company, not essential, like a rose. When I'm on a pedestal, you did not raise me there. Your arms do not have to compel me.
It's a beautiful December day.
To never touch them there. I'm not never pedestal. For this ugly home, what you said. You wish to conquer